Next we have the index method. This method allows us a user to find the index of the first occurrence of an existing substring inside a given string. Here it takes three parameters: substring, starting position, and then the ending position. Substring is the string to be searched for, and then starting position is nothing but position from where the search has to be started. The starting position from where the search has to be started for the substring, and ending position is the position where the searching has to be ended. If the substring is not found, it gives an error instead of giving -1. Okay, let us practically. Let us create the string 11 and then use index method on this. Let us the substring as for. Appears at the index position 22. What if we want to find the substring come in welcome instead of for? This come occurs at the index position 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So C appears at 7th index position, from where the come substring exists. Let's try to use the starting and ending positions for the index high. I would like to introduce or insert the starting position as 2 instead of 0, and the ending index position as 30, for example here. So look at here, high exists at the index position 0, the starting character of high, that is h, but we have provided the starting position as 2. Let us see what happens. So it results an error, substring not found. Let us use 2 instead of high. So we got 2 at the index position 12. So 2 occurs at the index position 12. If we use the index position, ending index position less than the index position where the 2 occurs, for example 11. So 2 occurs at the index position 12, but here we have given 11 as the ending index position. Let us see what happens. So we got an error, substring not found, because it is searching for 2 complete substring at index position 11. But at index position 11 we have only t, not 2. Or if the ending index position is excluded, then here we have space instead of t. That's why it is returning as value error. If I change this position to 12, then also it is resulting an error because the ending position is excluded. That's why it is returning an error. The complete string 2. Let us change it to 13 and see what happens. Again it is not giving the index position. So when we have put ending index position as 14, the 2 appears at the index position 12 because 2, 12, 13, 14. Look at here, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have given 13 as the index position, ending index position. It will consider 13 as the ending index position, but it excludes the ending index position. The length of the ending index position is the length minus 1, means the total length of the string where we are finding the substring minus 1. That's why at 13th index position, the final index position becomes 13 minus 1, 12. But at 12 we have only t, not complete substring 2. That's why we are getting an error. For 14, the complete 2 exists, hence it results the index position as 12.